Dear traders, welcome. Today is the 24th of March 2024. How time flies. It's 7:21, so markets are still closed. It's time for our weekly MK block summary. To make a long story short, this week has been like a house clean week with aggressive moves in both directions. Let's start here with pound yen. So some nice opportunities there. So first of all, the smart money goes up and takes the upper MTS, as you can clearly see, and that was on the 19th. And then what happens? We get the short option strike targets, all right, and on the 22nd, the smart money allows the market to fall and to fill those OSTs against the shorties. Take note that they did it exactly when the shorties started leaving. Remember, you need to wait until the squeeze line points downwards, then you can enter and sell towards those targets. Very nice trade, one of the best this week. And Euro Yen similar. So the 18th we had an OST and MTS. And also here we had the upper MTS being cleared. And then also on the 22nd, the move towards the short OST, which got filled nicely. So very, very beautiful trades. Okay, let's go back to the main markets. So euro dollar. So we had the MTS below the price on the 9th and the 18th. So this got taken and then an aggressive move upwards because shorties entered the market and they took the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 order gap zones above the price. You see, so big down move, big up move. So like this is generally named house cleaning, which either happens quickly with news or slowly during the week, like this one. So you see the upper MTS has also been cleared against those dumb money shorties. Sometimes this can be difficult to trade. And then after the upper target has been cleared, again, all the way down to the next lower target, because with the dumb money switch from shorties to longies, yeah? So remember, whenever there is no squeeze going on, the smart money will try to take targets in both directions, especially after a week we had last week where we had beautiful runs. Now the smart money wants to make sure that new dumb money traders who enter long or short are both served, so to speak. Okay, pound dollar, similar thing. So first of all, the beautiful OST runs on the 18th, one of the best trades. Then the move downwards to the MTS, boom, to the MTS, and then like euro dollar, an aggressive up move to the upper stop against the dumb money shorties. Okay, also here like a dumb money switch, and then also like in euro dollar, a complete change of direction against the longies, which then dominated to take the lower MTS. Okay, so you see the dumb money switches lead to this kind of aggressive price action, and you see this here as like a 4 reversal up, 4 reversal down, and you clearly see also the dumb money switch. Okay, so pound dollar took the lower MTS and then undershot as more longies came in and took the 200-day moving average on the day chart. All right. Euro pound, so we had the longies in the market, then we had shorties coming in and also their complete dumb money switch. Therefore, they did a big up move against those dumb money shorties. I didn't trade that. It's difficult to catch that unless you are really there when this happens. Australian dollar, of course, mirrored the whole thing, took the lower MTS, nice short trade there, and then also did an aggressive up move towards the upper MTS as soon as the longies were leaving the market, was for our reversal energy. Okay, so it is a golden combination here, as we call it. And also here, aggressive change of direction again towards the lower targets against the longies. So you see the smart money really went aggressively after the dumb money on both sides. Kiwi dollar, first of all, a beautiful up move to fill those 3 option strike targets as soon as the longies left. Typical setup, we saw it so many times now. And then exactly there, change of direction, undershooting the low and clearing the low against the longies. The same thing like with the other pairs. Dollar cut, we had the MTS above the price. This one gets taken with the order gap zone on the way. And then the same thing, of course, the other way around. So aggressive down move towards a 1, 2 MTS below the price while euro dollar was going up. Then change of direction and hunting of the upper medium-term stop accumulation in this market. Okay. If you're someone who's new and you have no clue what we're talking about here, this is how the market manipulation works. Okay, you can see with the MK Web these targets in advance. They do not repaint. All you need to do is analyze the market, come to the right conclusions, and then take your trade and protect the downside, of course. Dollar yen, so it filled the option strike target long and then took the upper MTS with the order gap zone, and as you can see, we then had the option strike target short 1, 2, 3. These got filled as soon as the shorties then left. Buy the pip, and after that again pull back up because more shorties came in. And then MTS below the price on the 22nd, and this one then also got taken. So some nice trade opportunities there. Okay, let's go to Euro Aussie. It took the upper stop there on the 19th. And then had another lower stop there which got taken on the 21st. Boom, boom. Typical behavior. Euro Aussie cleared the house there. Pound Aussie, similar thing. Okay, took the upper order gap zone and medium term stop accumulation. The green line then took the lower one. Okay, boom. There we go. Beautiful trades. Difficult to mess that up. Okay. Gold, so first it came down to the OSTs and then again did an aggressive stop onto the upside, but then with the dollar pairs did a complete reversal, filling those two order gap zones and the MTS. You see this is mirrored, like the euro dollar price action is mirrored here because obviously also here we have the money switch. Yeah. With silver the same thing, going down, up, all right, and then in the end doing also the reversal and going to the original target below the price. Boom. Okay, against the longies. So this is a great week to demonstrate how this works. Yeah, how the smart money is going aggressively after the dumb money flow. Bitcoin continued the pullback after this beautiful uptrend, trying to shake off some of those longies, but also as an MTS above the price. So if some shorties come in, it can try to attack this at some point. Okay, so the tradability was a bit lower this week because you can't always catch all of those moves. They can be quite fast. I didn't catch all of those moves here. But if, for example, you see the price turning, there's a lower target, longies are coming, longies are dominating, of course you can take some pips off the market by shorting towards this clear target and placing a stop around the 1 risk return even. Okay? So not difficult to trade some of those moves at least, yeah. So overall I would say compared to the previous easy week, maybe that's a little more advanced and a little less tradable. There were plenty of setups, but in a week like this you will not catch every single move. That's difficult and sometimes even impossible. But there was enough price action, there were enough setups to collect good pips. Lots of love, have a fantastic trading week.